Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to give you an update about the new PCR rule and what are the changes being done in vaccination in UAE. So the first thing I would like to tell you is the PCR test. The PCR test which we used to do in every 14 days, now it has changed to 7 days, yes, 1 week. Every week we need to undergo the PCR test which is paid. It was earlier free, but now it is paid. You can go to any hospital and you can pay 85 dirhams and get your PCR test done weekly. Second thing about PCR is, if you have already taken a vaccination of second dose and completed 28 days, yes, we have already completed 28 days after taking your vaccination, so then you need to do it monthly. The PCR test will change from weekly to monthly for those who have taken the vaccination second dose and have completed 28 days. Okay, and the people who have taken first dose now not taken the second dose, they need to do 7 every week, and of course they need to pay 85 and do it. And people who have taken second dose and not completed 28 days, they still need to do the same. They need to take it, the PCR, every 7 days. And to get update about the free PCR test where it is happening around in Abu Dhabi, because the UAE government doing is in building, they're going to the every particular building and doing it, so you can go there and get your PCR free done. So to get daily updates on that particular where the PCR test is happening, do kindly subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to post every single day the location, and you could follow me on Instagram and Facebook for that matter. Okay, this is all about PCR. Now let's move to vaccination. People who has done with their first vaccination dose, they need to take second dose within 30 days. After 21 days they can do, but they have a time frame of 10 days more to extend. They can get it in a time frame of 1 month. Okay, if you haven't taken a vaccination so far, so the first dose vaccination is stopped for a while. It is postponed because the UAE government is planning to give vaccination for those who are above 50 or for local peoples. So for now you will not be able to get the appointment for first dose, but you have already taken first, so you can get your second dose. But for the second dose you need to be particular at that particular location where you have already taken your first dose. You can only get your second dose in that particular place, nowhere else. So this is all about PCR and vaccination, what is happening right now, the current news. And if you have any questions, so do let me know in the comments below. I will love to answer all your questions, and please kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video for more people to reach. Thank you very much. Have a nice